Hi guys, this is Sadik from Droidwin.com, and in this video, we will be giving you a new Keybox XML file that will help you pass a strong test. So it was quite a challenging task to get hold of this file, and after weeks of trying, I finally am able to get hold of the unrevoked Keybox XML file. So please keep in mind that the files are being very hard to get hold of. So please only use the Keybox file if it's required. In most cases, the banking and payment app might work even if you don't have the strong test. Simply passing the basic and the device test might be sufficient for you, and only leave this file for those who really require it. So if you really are in need of this file, the strong integrity test and the file of unrevoked Keybox XML file, then let's get started. So first and foremost, let me show you my phone is currently obtained root by Magisk, and in the current scheme of things, I am just passing the basic test and failing the strong and the device test. After carrying out the video, I will pass all the three tests. So let's get started. Let me show you how this could be done. So as of now, the file which I will be giving you is the 11th file, the latest 11th Keybox XML file. So with that in mind, let's get started. First of all, you will have to root the phone via Magisk Canary. The stable and beta will not work. So as you could see, I am currently on the Canary build. Simply install the Magisk Canary APK, then tap on install, choose direct install and restart the phone, and your task stands complete. After that, download the Shamiko module, LSPOS framework which is required for Shamiko, the plain ticket effects module for spoofing the phone, the Zygisk assistant for hiding the Zygisk, and the Tricky Store which will help you to find the basic and the device test and for generating the Android key at the session. Apart from that, you need an unrevoked Keybox XML file. As of now, I have over I guess 1000 requests. So in the next couple of days, I will email you all the files. You have to ask for the file in this guide. This is the guide. So drop in the request in this guide's comment section, and then I will mail you the file. So keep in mind that over 1000 requests are pending, so it might take some time. I also have to make a video, write articles, and over that I will have to personally mail you over 1000 times to each and every individual. So this takes a lot of time and effort. So you will get the file within 2 to 3 days. So with that in mind, please drop in your request over here. I also have pending requests of over 1000, and then the new request will come up. So first I will try to reply to the pending request, and then I will reply to the new request. And apart from that, you need the root file manager app. For this, I am using the Solid File Manager app, which is you could get hold from the Play Store, and then the Plain Integrity API checker app which will be used to verify the result, which I am using as of now. You could see this is the Plain Integrity API checker app. From here you could verify the result whether you are passing or failing the test, and that's just about it. So let me transfer all the files onto my phone, which will take just a few seconds. This is the Plain Integrity API, Plain Integrity Strong Integrity folder. Let me transfer the entire folder onto my phone. It has all the modules. Okay, just give me a second. I have to connect the phone to the PC as well. This is the first obvious requirement, and then I will transfer the files onto my phone. So you could simply download all the files from my guide. I've given the link for all the files. As you could see, in my case, I already have these files onto my PC. So I'm simply saving some time, and I will transfer the file onto my phone directly. Or else you could get hold of all the files from here. So this is the folder. Let me transfer the files onto my phone. It's the Strong Integrity folder, and all the files I now have it. So first off, you have to obtain root by the Magisk Canary, which I have done. And now you have to flash the LSPOS, Shamiko, Plain Integrity, Zygisk, and the Tricky Store. So first off, please flash the LSPOS and only then flash the Shamiko, because Shamiko will not work if you don't have the LSPOS framework. So keep this point in mind. Now launch the Magisk app, go to modules, install from storage. This is the Strong Integrity folder. And first off, let's flash the LSPOS, tap on OK. And now you may flash any of the modules of your choice. So next up, we have the Plain Integrity fix, tap on OK. It's flashed as well. Go back, install from storage. Shamiko module, tap on OK. It will be flashed now because we have the LSPOS in the backend. It will not cause any issue. Then we have the Tricky Store, flash it as well. It's flashed. And after that, we have the Zygisk assistant, flash it at this as well. The flashing is now complete. Now you also have, after flashing all the 5 modules, you also have to enable Zygisk. As you could see, it's currently turned off. So go to the settings menu of Magisk, enable the toggle next to Zygisk, and you now have to do a reboot after flashing all the 5 modules and enabling Zygist. Do a reboot. Okay, one more thing, if there is a pending update next to any module, simply tap on update install and the module will now be updated. So it's now done. Likewise, there was one more module update, so the module is now been updated, and now you could see all the 5 modules are on the latest version. There's no pending update, and I've also enabled Zygist over here. Once that is done, you could now do a reboot. So tap on the reboot icon and choose reboot. Your phone will now boot to the OS, and once that happens, we could then move ahead with the next step and pass the strong test as well. So the keybox XML file should be on my phone itself, because I have the file in my strong integrity folder as well. So yeah, this is the keybox file which I'll be using. The size is, I guess, 17.2 KB to be precise, and I'll be using this file to pass all the 3 tests. So let's wait for the phone to boot to the OS, and after that you have to install the Solid File Manager app from the Play Store. So let me quickly do that as well. It might take a little bit longer for the first time. Okay, it's well and good. Solid File Manager, this is the app. Solid File Manager app. Install the app, and in the meantime, please launch the Magisk app and verify that all the 5 modules are enabled. So let's do that as well. As you could see, likewise, the Zygist should now show as yes. As you could see, it's now showing as yes. So we have enabled Zygist as well, and the Solid File Manager app is installed. Launch it, tap on skip, accept the terms and condition, give it the storage access, allow access to all the files. Once that is done, tap on the root directory and tap on grant. It has now got the root directory. Now go to the following location: data, ADB, Tricky Store. I've given the location in my article as well. This is the location. Now you have to place the keybox file over here. This is a keybox file is there already, but it's just for the showing purpose. It's there by default, but this will not let you pass the strong test. For passing the strong test, you will have to use my file. So first off, you have to enable auto rotate. Once that is done, do an auto rotate, and as you could see, we now have 2 directories. This is the data ADB Tricky Store, and this is the internal storage. So from here, I will first have to transfer the file inside this directory. So in the strong, I have this file. Copy the file from here and now transfer the file inside the Tricky Store directory. Paste it. You will get this prompt. Tap on new, and we now have the required keybox file. Once that is done, we now have the file, and we could now do the verification. So now launch the Plain Integrity API Checker app. Tap on check, and let's see what happened this time around. So now you could see we are passing all the 3 tests. Earlier I was only passing the basic test. So what you have to do is simply enable the Zygist from Magisk and root the phone via Canary build. Then flash all the 5 modules. First off, flash the LS post, and then you may flash any of these modules. Then install the Plain Integrity API Check app from Play Store and install the File Manager app from Play Store as well. Then you have to go to this directory, data ADB Tricky Store, and replace the keybox file which is there with the keybox file which I will give you via the email. So as you could see, in my case, the file was there inside the SD card, so I simply have to do a auto rotate, and then you may copy the file from here from your SD card internal memory and paste the file in the Tricky Store. And if it asks for a replace, just tap on yes. As you could see over here, tap on new, and the file will be replaced. After that, no need to do a restart. Simply launch the file and APK file and the Plain Integrity API Check app and tap on check, and now you will pass all the 3 tests, and now you could use the banking app of your choice. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. Do note that the steps are given in this guide, but you have to do the request for the file in this guide. Just drop in your comments, and currently I have over 1000 pending requests. So I will first reply to them, and then I will reply to the new comments. So keep this point in mind, and you could then easily use the file and get the job done. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.